Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and share a series on Webtoon. If you find a Webtoon series you love and want to recommend it to a friend, then you can share it easily through the Webtoon app. First of all, launch open the Webtoon application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and search for the series by using the search bar or from the home page that you want to share. After opening up a series, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner from your info section. You'll then see the share button at the bottom pop up. Tap on share and you can share the series via social media, messaging app, or if you want to share it anywhere you like, you can tap on copy. This will copy the link of this series and then you can share it with anyone, your friend, or you can also post it online so that you can recommend it to anyone else. So that's how you successfully share your favorite Webtoon series. Now your friends can click the link to start enjoying and reading the story just like you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.